Today I'm going to be putting up my soffit vents. As you can tell, I've already got started. So for the part here on the wall, this is a F channel, and I nailed it to here. And then for nailed on my sub fascia, I have a J channel. I like to do it that way so that I can slide everything down. You can nail your soffit vent to the sub fascia and then just put your actual fascia, the lip will hold it up. I don't like doing that because if I ever have to work on the house or do anything, I have to actually pull it off, maybe break some of it. This way I can separate some of this and move it if I have to. And it also makes my fascia a little bit thicker, which I think looks a little nicer too. So when my fascia goes underneath my drip edge and then hangs up under here, it's gonna look, I think, look a little nicer. But we're gonna get the rest of this on hopefully today. So I got my miter saw that I'm using to cut these soffit pieces to the length that I need. You definitely want to make sure that you measure all the way down the overhang, just in case one spot bows out more than the other, the wall is not perfect, so that you don't have any gaps. So what I'm doing, I have a clamp right here. This is nice and straight so I can make the same cuts. This clamp is going to be a stop, so I can slide my piece in, stops there, cut, and just keep sliding it down. My blade is turned around. I have it flipped backwards. If you have it on the way it's supposed to be for when you're cutting wood, it'll just blow the plastic, the vinyl, just apart. So this makes nice clean cuts, and I don't have to worry about pieces blowing off. One of the things I'm doing when I overlap this, I'm having it overlap this way so that when you look at it from the driveway, you don't see the seams. But before I do that, I snip off this curved part so it can go flush with the piece that it's going to overlap with. Just trim it off with some tin snips. So it looks like that. And then I'll lay flush with that piece and won't bulge out and look bad. Okay, I think that looks really nice. Now the reason I'm using the vinyl fascias is because I don't have a metal brake, and Those things are a couple grand, which is what you need to kind of make your bends. This is already bent and everything. Now you can see there's a joint right there, and if you look this way, it's not really visible. And then when you look from this side, you can see the seam. So that's why I had it started that direction. So this is going to be where people are going to view it the most. So I run it that way so it's not visible or as visible.